Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about how can we disable guys color inversion mode setting in our phone. Friends, you want to disable your phone color inversion mode setting. So friend, how can you disable it? Friends, you can see guys this everything is different in your phone. So friend, how can we disable this color setting? So friend, we call it color inversion. And friends, now let's see how can we disable color inversion in our phone. Friends, we will on our phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, scroll it. Friends, you can see guys your phone accessibility setting guys. Click on guys your phone accessibility setting, and friends you can use guys your visibility setting guys, tap here. Friends, again scroll it. Friends, you can see this color inversion guys, tap here. Friends, you can see this color inversion setting and right side this icon guys, tap here to disable it. After disable guys, you can use guys your phone without this color problem. Friends, you can see guys everything is fine in our phone, icon colors, screen color. Friends, you can use your videos without any ghost setting, this ghost setting guys. So like that guy we can disable color inversion mode setting. So bye bye friends.